Okay, go.
Is that a go?
Yeah, what do you mean? What is it, baby bears?
Is that a cut or do we go? What's up, you guys? Welcome to another video. Another midnight install video, highly requested by Jose
And my fake accounts.
and his fake accounts. He requested another midnight install. But boom! About time. We got some Swift lowering springs.
For that side.
And I don't know what's going on behind the camera, but
Carry on.
are you like...
I zoomed in the product.
Oh,
why?
Product shot, boom!
Shout out to
I know
Amazon.
I know what you guys are thinking. Like, oh, these guys know how to install some springs. The answer is no.
And we'll be back.
But we're gonna figure it out today. So we got some springs, we got some tools.
Shout out to AutoZone.
Shout out to AutoZone, rent a tool program.
My boy Eric.
The homie Eric, follow him on Snapchat.
Facebook. MySpace.
But yeah, we're
eBay.
gonna install these bad boys today. And you wanna get closer to show them what we got inside the box?
We should.
Hold on,
We should.
Oh.
Look at this.
More boxes.
Oh, this is the most important part.
That's
of
garbage.
an install.
Oh, decal?
Oh.
what
Alright,
Oh,
so
two,
the
bro. One for me.
most important thing is that we recycle.
You know, are these instructions? You know what? You're right, Patty.
You're welcome.
Boom.
Thought they were gonna be this big. What's going on?
So she said.
You got the full on Subway special, bro.
It's Christmas.
Like Christmas.
It's Christmas.
Can you see that, Patty?
Oh, wait, look.
It says weird. So I see these go in the back. Boom. So front one, rear one,
Tough fuck.
front one, rear one. And yeah, let's get right to it.
Oh, fuck.
I'm trying so hard not to. What is up, baby bears? So the guys are too tired to continue installing these springs. So Tamara and I are gonna continue this. All right, let's get to it. What do we do? So first, we want to like open all these caps and leave them and like drain them. Finally, you guys are done with your guys' nap.
Hey,
Anyways,
you're right. First step first, you gotta lift the car. Obviously, put on some good jacks, and then we're gonna take off the wheel. You gotta be very careful. These are very expensive wheels. Straight from Japan. Look at this wheel gap. We need to get rid of that. Oh, you gonna hold my meat, bro?
ciao, bro. Not the. Is it uneven wear?
It's called drag racing, bro. You wouldn't understand. All right, first things first. We're gonna loosen these bolts right here. These are 19 millimeters. All right, those two are loose, and then now we're gonna go ahead and remove this clip, which is holding the brake line.
Where, bro?
Right there, bro. You see it right there, right there. This one.
Alright, so we remove that.
Yeah, we're gonna remove this clip, and then remove it from there too. That's 12.
12.
Now we're gonna go to the top, and then remove these three up here. These all should be 12. Ta-da! There you go. Remove those. Now come back and actually take these out if we could. And there's two. Now you gotta be careful because it's just gonna fall off. Yeah, nice and dirty.
Damn, all that mud, bro.
That's exactly what that is. All that rallying. What the fuck? Alright, anyways, back to the video. So, you have to take this little plastic thing off. Just pop it right off. Boom. Stick that somewhere else. And then that's gonna be... I forgot what it is, but we'll figure it out right now. But before you do that, you're gonna have to compress the springs. That way it doesn't pop in your face. So, let's go ahead and do that. You gotta make sure you know what you're doing. Obviously, I don't. So, we're just gonna wing it.
I know you.
Just make sure it's kind of loose in there before you take it off. That way you know that it's just gonna pop off in your face. Money. Ta-da! 17 mil. Check that. Bad boy out. Then you're left with that. Then take this off. That piece too. And then take out your spring. Boom.
Ooh.
Cut that out.
You got the new one, right?
And then, but I'm gonna clean this first because rally is life.
No.
Good.
Bro, let me see. Is it the same thing?
Damn. Oh yeah, it has one more roll.
Excuse you, Patty? You call me fat?
Sometimes.
It is, no?
Yes. No, look it.
No, it has one.
It has one more. It has one more. Yeah.
One more coil.
We're in the same height.
No, this one.
Plus 1 point more easier to compress and
Yeah.
thinner.
According to my scientific calculation, this one's way softer than
Step on it, bro.
this one,
Jump on
causing
it.
the lowering in the car. So when you install it, you gotta make sure it lines up with the notches.
Calling you. Send me. I know you.
You pretty much reassembled the whole thing. Spring, top,
Mount.
intercooler, the top, whatever it is. And now we're just gonna tighten everything back up.
Honest to you.
Does it look right?
Is that a cut?
Not that you fucking put it upside down, bro.
Like, let me see. I want to see the edit, but
So it's currently 2:29, and Roll is over here. What are you doing, Roll?
Dropping the car.
Looks like he's taking a nap. What do you think, Eric?
anyways.
Hey,
Not the camera.
that's a race video.
Oh, it's hella low, bro.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we got one side done. Let's go over the other side.
Let's go.
I know you do. Send me.
The foot test, bro. Oh, my shoe don't. Oh, bro, my shoe still fits, bro.
Bro, don't say that.
Needs more low, bro. Yeah, bro. 2 fingers, bro. How much of a drop did you get him?
1 inch.
1 inch.
1 inch dropperino, bro. Well, I mean, they still gotta settle in, so they'll keep dropping.
Okay, yeah. Two fingers on this side too, bro.
Damn.
Damn.
You guys are down to the back one.
You're not down to do that.
I mean,
That
please.
is like, you guys already done the back.
You're like, hold on.
All right, so we'll meet up back at 7, guys. See you guys later.
The next day.
All right, so as you can see, we already installed the front one. Front on this side, and the front on this side. And here we have the old ones. We still need to do the back ones. That's what these are. So, show you guys how look so far. Well, obviously it's gonna look weird because we have the rears up, but we'll just show you guys how they both look after we do the back ones. So for the back one, we already have the wheel removed. Now to take this off, you're gonna have to take off these 3 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, and I believe these are, yep, 2 17s, and then the one in the middle is a 14. So 17, 17, then a 14, and then we'll move on to the next step.
Send me, darling, send me.
Alright, once you get the 3 from the bottom, you're gonna go in the trunk and come down here to the side, and you see these two bolts, 1 and then 2 over there. Already took that one off, but that one right there too. And then your strut should fall right out. Just be careful of it. You don't drop it though. You have somebody holding it. Alright, we got the rear one taken out. It's right here. Boom. And then with this one, it's pretty much the same thing. Just before you take off the cap, compress the spring, and then take off the bolt on top. Take off the spring, put the new one in, make sure you line it up. I'll show you guys that later, but make sure you line it up properly, both at the bottom and at the top. That way you don't have any issues. Or you can kind of see how it's lined up right here towards the edge. That way it doesn't move, and you don't have your car shaking all crazy because you didn't install it properly. But yeah, let's go ahead and take these off and put the new one on.
Send me, I know you do.
The top. Put that to the side. Oh man, there it comes. The spring. Alright, got the rear spring, the rear strut, and make sure you got it aligned properly. You can see the little grooves right there. Make sure the spring hits all the way at the edge. That way you don't have any issues with anything else. Then we're gonna line this one up. Then put the top back on. Oh.
Send me, darling, send me, darling.
Right, there we go, there's one. Boom. And then we'll just go ahead and do the other one and show you guys when it's done.
Alright guys, so we got both springs on there. So now we're pretty much putting them back, so vice versa, just, you know, same way you took them off, put them back on, and reverse.
Alright guys, boom, all done. Got a nice little drop on there. Obviously it still needs to settle a little bit, so it'll probably drop more. There's the front one. Then we come over here, boom, this is the rear one. Obviously again needs to settle. The front one will probably settle more because it has the engine in the front, so more weight. I'm gonna probably carry some bricks in the back, that way it kind of lowers it, makes the braking process quicker. But that's how it looks so far. Probably later I'll get you guys some wider shots so you guys kind of see how it looks. But that's pretty much the install. Probably took us, I want to say 3 hours around there for like the whole thing. The front ones we did yesterday, the rear ones we did today. So 3 to 4 hours. Not too complicated, you just gotta mess with some things a little bit. But that's pretty much it, guys. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Boom, got a little lowered.
We know we learned something today. 2 days.
2-day install again, just like the good old days. But probably gonna need to get that aligned soon. Hopefully the car doesn't wobble or anything, or else we're gonna have to pretty much do everything all over again. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for my car for phase 1.
Anyways,
Phase 2 coming soon. You guys will find out what's going on. But yeah, more performance parts. But alright guys, see you guys in the next one. Peace out and always keep improving.